Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm just here very quickly to do a kind of updated video for you. And actually I have previously done a video which I'm going to link up here on how to rejuvenate your synthetic wigs using steam. What I'm going to do today for this updated video is to show you how you can steam your synthetic wig to change the shape of it. So if it's curly, you can straighten it. That's fairly easy, straightforward to do. If it's straight, you can curl it. What I have here is this is a John Renault top full, and this is in the Laguna Blonde. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to curl this wee baby here. So I'm going to remove the zigzag parting and have it in the parting that it can be worn. Obviously you can change your partings up. So I have that, I have pinned it onto my mannequin head and she's kind of good to go. So I'm just going to do nothing tight, nothing crazy, just some kind of beachy type waves is my plan. Okay, so I'm just using my wide tooth comb and I'm combing her through. If you're doing this on a topper or a wig that you already own, please ensure you have washed it prior to doing any steaming. I am going to be using today a rather industrial size clothing steamer. As always, make sure any metal does not come into contact with the hair. What you're going to need is your wig or your topper secured onto a canvas block head. I've secured mine onto, and my canvas block head's on a stand here. You're going to need the tools that you're going to need is your T-pins to secure it on, and then some clips because you're going to be doing this in sections if it is a straight that you want to curl. So we're going to do that, and then you need your tool to be curling. I will show you what I'm going to use. This was actually a curling tong. As you can see, I've cut the wire off it just to show it's absolutely not being plugged in, no direct heat to be used. So I'm using this just for the shape that I want to achieve. So here we go, we're just going to pin it all up and then start doing some steaming. So first off, I am just kind of blasting it with steam just to moisten up those fibres first of all before I start adding any shape to it. I'm just moistening it up nicely, and then I'm going to blast it with steam as I turn. And what I'm doing is I am just holding that until it cools slightly. While it's warm, it's going to still be able to be moulded. And this will permanently change the shape. Unless I choose to actually steam it back straight again, it will actually hold its curl. So when I do this and I have it curled and ready, basically anytime it's washed, it will just keep that wave, that kind of curl pattern to it. If you choose to straighten up a wig that's already curly, it's much more quick than if you were doing this and adding some sort of curls in, because you are doing it more in smaller sections and it involves a wee bit longer holding, whereas if you're straightening, you're kind of brushing it straight, you'll see it straighten as you're doing it. Hey guys, I just turned in to look at the camera there as I was finishing up. I've been chatting away to myself, but here is the finished result, and to show what you can do with steam to your wig or topper, standard synthetic, just totally woohoo! So this is the John Renault top full, and she's had a wee bit of the MiMo magic. What are my hoops doing? They're obnoxiously big and they're doing something crazy, so I'm taking them off actually. But yeah, so if you choose to use steam to rejuvenate your wig, you can absolutely do that. It's very easy to do. Obviously I do offer the service on my website at mimowigs.com. However, I feel that I wanted to be able to show you guys how to do it yourself, because obviously why pay somebody to do something you can do yourself has always generally been my mantra. Not always, because sometimes I'm just like, if something's too finicky or takes too much time, it can be frustrating. Just ensure if you're going to do something like this, you know what you're doing. Be aware of pros and cons. When this wee bad boy is washed, she will return back to this shape. She will not go straight again, unless obviously she is steamed and brushed out or combed out nice and straight again. So this was just really a very quick kind of tutorial type video for you guys. I hope it's been beneficial. I hope it's been helpful for you, and I hope that if any of you choose to do this, you will tag me on Instagram and let me see your amazing works that you've done. I have the bug, and I'm actually going to grab some of my other wigs and just get some steaming on the go. It's always fun to get steaming. So guys, I'm going to go for now. Take care, keep sparkling, be your own beautiful. Until next time, I'm going to head off. So take care of yourselves, and I'll be back soon with more wig reviews, tutorials. If you want makeup stuff, can do that. Can do whatever you like, really. I can certainly try to do whatever you guys like. But yeah, so this is the beautiful topper from John & O. This is the shade Laguna Blonde, and she is straight. This is the 12 inches, and she is now a wee curly whirly Sue. So obviously as she's brushed and combed in the likes, it'll become a bit more beachy wavy and natural looking. Just now it is still sitting in that kind of strict curl pattern that we have steamed into it. I'm not going to comb this one out to show you guys, because this is being sent on to a beautiful friend of mine who I want to let her do the honours and kind of give it the comb through and let her do all that jazz. So that's the plan. What I'll maybe do is give a wee steam to a Heidi, and when I've done that, even I'll maybe show you it like as it comes, show you the difference steam can make to rejuvenate, and then I'll maybe give her a brand new wee overhaul and give her this kind of nice loose wave. Although this looks like it's very curly, the curl pattern and the barrel size that I have used, actually when this is brushed it will be more beachy. But yeah, I'll show you that on another video, but this is just a very quickie from me for now. So that's my phone. It's time for you guys to have your ears left in peace. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!